The Global Food Security Initiative at Monmouth College is part of our liberal arts approach to solving the world's problems. We are developing a study abroad program in Accra, Ghana. Many of our international students come from Ghana, so establishing a presence for Monmouth College in Ghana would allow students to engage further and to strengthen the cultural exchange between our two countries.
This study abroad opportunity is going to give our students the opportunity to travel to Ghana to take classes, to travel into the rural countryside, spending at least a week in the rural areas with rural farmers, to do research with students at the University of Accra, research in social science, research in natural science. It's going to give them the opportunity to learn about food security issues in Western Sub-Saharan Africa while they are in Western Sub-Saharan Africa.
International experiences like this one help our students develop the skills necessary to address the complexity of food insecurity in their local communities and in the global context.
Your support is going to help to defray the very significant costs of getting students to Western Africa so that they can study these issues right there in Western Africa. This is an opportunity that generally undergraduate students just don't have.